Hello everyone, this is King IoT. This video I will show you our new product. This is KC868-A8. This is updated version of the A4 board. And this board also you can use Arduino IDE write any code on ESP32 module. And this board have 8-channel relay output and 8-channel digital input. And this time the most important is use the Ethernet port. And also is a good board for school IoT education or for some small project. You can use board for write any code by yourself. Okay, let's look at some details of this A8 board. You can see this board. This is relay. This is 8-channel relay output. This every output will have common and normal open and normal close. Every relay have these 3 holes. So this is max is 10 ampere relay use. And this is the Wi-Fi module, the ESP32. And this is Ethernet. And you can use Ethernet or use Wi-Fi by yourself, just according to your code, right to the ESP32. And this is the USB for download and for your debug and for serial port communication by this USB port. This is the mini USB port. And this is have 2 buttons. One button is for reset and one button is for function. For your program, define this function for this button. And this is for download. Actually, you not need to press the download key because we have designed the circuit for auto update download. You not need to press this button. Just connect with USB and write code and download by Arduino or download by Home Assistant ESP Home just automatically. And this is for DC 12 volt. This is power supply. We can see this is power supply. You can also use the removable socket and connect with the line and plug in it. And this is 8-channel digital input. This you can connect with your wall switch or momentary switch button. You can let this connect with this output. It according to your code. This also can use long distance. This part between with your wall switch max support 1 kilometer is no problem. And this is analog input. This is 2-channel analog input from 0 to 5 volt. So this is for analog input. And this 2-channel is for temperature sensor or temperature and humidity sensor. So you can use DS18B20 temperature sensor or use DHT11 or DH221 temperature and humidity sensor. Because if you use DHT21 or DHT11, you just need to use one line for temperature and humidity at the same time. And this 2 hole is for digital input. This have 8-channel digital input, and this have another independently 2-channel digital input. And we can see this have 2 modules. This is wireless RF receiver module. You can plug in this section, and this is RF send transmit module. So you can send the code, wireless code by yourself in your Arduino code. And also you can decode the wireless signal from this module by this code you have downloaded to the ESP32. And at this time, you can see this interface for I2C. So this can extend your I/O. If your I/O is not enough use, I think if you need to use many relay, not enough for 8-channel, you can use this part to expand the IIC chip, such as the IIC display, LCD display, or IIC other device. You can just connect with this point, IIC, the clock and the date and the ground and the VCC from this part to expand all functions. Okay, you can see this is A8, the board in front, and this is the back. Okay, if you have any questions, you can leave a message to us. We will feedback quickly. Thanks for watching.